A lot of people think more money can solve the problems, but have more money solved your situations? I think your expenses just went up with it, so it hasn't solved your problem. Money EQ is a solution. When you know more about money EQ, you feel happier with money, you have less stress around money because you have higher emotional intelligence. So if you study more about money EQ, you will transform your relationship with money. So money could be a scary thing, and probably you used to think money is terrible, money could be evil, you worry about money and you're afraid of money. But as you study more about money EQ, suddenly money could look like more fun. So when you learn about money EQ, you start looking at your relationship with the money first. And then you realize that you had a relationship with money. A lot of people don't even realize you have a relationship with money. If you take a look at your relationship with money deeper, you realize that the way you treat your money is exactly the same as you treat your life. So if you understand that money can influence your life, you can change your life. Most of us have money wounds one way or another. Since we are born and brought up in a dysfunctional family in terms of money, we are taught that money a certain way. So we have to take a look at our family money wounds and then start healing them. By doing that, finally, we can have a different relationship with money. If you learn about this money EQ, you realize why your parents fought so much about money, why you're having fights with your friends, with your relatives, with your partner, with your kids, and why money didn't come to you, why the money you made didn't stay with you. All these mysteries will be solved. What's interesting is that as all these things shift, you'll have a different relationship, not only with money, but also the people around you. So please try it out. I have helped hundreds of thousands of people in the past, and they're saying their life has changed so much and they owe me so much because of certain ideas that shifted in their lives. So just try it, and I hope to see you there in the Money Quest. Bye-bye.